My dear students, this is very important for the students those are in CISCE board and those were in 10th and 12th examination 2021. This is the very important notice about improvement and compartment examination in CISCE board. As you know, the date before that the date was till 1st August, means today, but now it is extended, and the improvement examination, compartment examination, you can fill the form till 4th of August. So here I'm giving you the detail that is for the improvement and the compartment examination. Date of improvement examination is now extended from August 1 to August 4, 2021. Also, the candidates who have sent a dispute resolution, they may also register for the improvement examination, because some of them are thinking that they cannot fill, but they can fill the improvement examination form. I'll tell you in the last, that is the very important for you for the examination. And if you like, then you can share, you can subscribe my channel. This is a Study Bright channel and myself Ashish Srivastav. Date of compartment examination is also extended from August 1 to August 4, 2021. The difference between improvement and the compartment examination means improvement who can improve their marks, that students fill the improvement examination form. But the compartment examination means those are failed in the examination, that is CISCE, means awarded PCNA, pass certificate not awarded, like this it is written in the certificate, then they can fill this compartment examination and they can pass. But for improvement examination, the marks will be final, because they are giving again the same examination. So that is why the council has decided that marks will be final marks, whether it is less or more, doesn't matter. तो ये आपको सोचना है कि इम्प्रूवमेंट एग्जामिनेशन देने से पहले अगर आपकी तैयारी हो तभी इम्प्रूवमेंट दे, अदरवाइज इफ़ यू आर सेटिस्फाई, सपोज लिटिल बिट लेस, देन आल्सो यू डू नॉट गिव द इम्प्रूवमेंट एग्जामिनेशन, क्योंकि इम्प्रूवमेंट एग्जामिनेशन में अगर कम हो गए मार्क्स तो आपके वही चढ़ेंगे जो कि इम्प्रूवमेंट एग्जामिनेशन में आएंगे. बट फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स दोज आर गिविंग द कंपार्टमेंट एग्जामिनेशन, नो प्रॉब्लम, क्योंकि अभी उनका PCNA सर्टिफिकेट मिला है, मीन्स दे आर फील्ड, सो दे हैव द चांस टू पास द एग्जामिनेशन 10th and 12th. The date is extended. Transfer of centers will be also activated after registration of the SID examination. क्योंकि बहुत सारे कैंडिडेट्स, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ऐसा भी चाहते होंगे कि हम उस सिटी में ना दे करके दूसरे सिटी में या दूसरे कॉलेज में हम दें एग्जामिनेशन, सो दे कैन डू, बट आफ्टर रजिस्ट्रेशन करने के बाद वो पोर्टल पे आप अपने स्कूल जा कर के ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ सेंटर्स कर सकते हैं, या पोर्टल पे जा कर के भी कर सकते हैं. I will give all the things, all the detail in the description box. You can see that also. But very important notice, that is for the examination, improvement and compartment examination for class 10 and class 12 students year 2021 will commence from August 16, 2021. मतलब in this month, just after 15 days, the examination will commence, means examination start होंगे और आप लोग उसकी तैयारी 15 days में कर लें, तब जाकर के आपका इम्प्रूवमेंट और कंपार्टमेंट एग्जामिनेशन बेहतर होगा. सो दिस वे द important notice about the improvement and compartment examination. Thank you.